Uh-oh, I think I have hiccups. Oh! Embark on a coaster creator career. Say that 3 times fast. Coaster creator career. Coaster creator career. Coaster... Oh, I didn't mean to yawn. Sorry, I'm tired because I spent so much... Oh, I'm drooling. I spent so much today cleaning. My room is so clean. And my kitchen, I cleaned my whole clean. I just broke up with my girlfriend. I'm gonna be watching again, Miss... You stopped watching me because of your girlfriend? I don't know how to spell his name. Every time I try to spell Kirby, I just keep adding more and more letters to it. It's Kirby, Twinbee, Kirby, Kirby, Welcome back to Balloons. It's been a balloon in a long time since I've last played, not laid. Maybe I do need to go back on my meds. Just hold the statue in your hands when the ghost attacks you. The ropes on the object will indicate the remaining number of charges. Does not protect against certain types of ghosts.
What? So... what was that sound? What was that sound? Pomu?
That wasn't me going
Did
like...
you fart?
No, I was going like... But it just came up really aggressive.
Pomu fartas ka. Oh, wait. Do it again.